friends, welcome to AhiluArts channel. I am Uma. In this video we are going to make a beautiful hair bow. Okay, like the one in the Minnie Mouse hat. We'll be making a Minnie Mouse hat in another video. So this video is exclusively for making a hair bow. Okay, you can use the hair bow as I am going to use. You can use it in a mini hat or any other girl's hat, or you can use this type of clip to attach it, and you can use this as a pin, or you can use these type of clips if you have long hair, or you can use this type of clips also. Okay, so this is the most simple hair bow anyone can make, even the beginner can make this, right? So let us start doing this. Leave a long tail end at least 4 to 5 inch. Okay, we'll be needing this by the end, right? Do a slip knot. Okay, make as many chains as possible. As many chains as you needed, because the size of the bow is according to the number of chains what we are going to do. So according to the, if you want a bigger one, you can chain as many as you want. I'm making a small beanie for 3 months beanie, so I'll be making this bow smaller one. Okay, so let me count my chains, how many I have done. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. It may seem bigger one, but the size of the bow will be half of this one. Okay, because we will be folding this into half and then attach. Okay, so whatever size you require, you have to do the number of chains double that size. See, I have done 30 chains, but the size of my bow will be the half of this size, right? So I can make few more chains also. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is okay for me. So I have done 35 chains. Whatever size you need, you can always chain according to your size. But remember, whatever the number of chains you have done, the bow will be half of this size. Okay, because we will be folding the bow up and tie up in the middle. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to do half double crochet in all the chains. Skip the first chain and do half double crochet in all the chains. Why we are using half double crochet? Because it will be the same either on either sides, either in the right side or wrong side. Half double crochet looks alike. Okay, but if you use double crochet, it may, when we turn around the row, it may be little bit unfinished, because this double crochet looks different on the right side and wrong side, right? So as you all know, we will be working on the spine of the chain, not on the either front loop or back loop. We will turn the chain upside down and we will work on the back spine, so that in this side also we will have the perfect finishing. Okay, in all our video we are doing the same. So for new viewers, I am just saying this. Okay, we always work on the spine, back spine of the chain, not either neither on the back loop or nor on the front loop, to have the perfect finishing on both the sides, on the bottom side as well as the top side. Okay, so continue this half double crochet till the end of this row, and we will do the next row together. Okay, see, I have completed my first row of half double crochet, right? You can see half double crochet, there will be not much difference between the front and back side, so we can always work as row. Okay, so chain 1, turn your work, yarn over, do half double crochet in all the stitches. If you want, you can use only back loop alone to give you a different look, okay, but I don't want to use that. I don't want to do like that because it's a simple I wanted to attach it to the hat, so I don't like that look. But if you want these V shape to be shown, you can always work only on the back loop. So in that case, when you do, you can see this V in the side, right? So do the same here in this row and do 3 more rows. Totally we will be having 5 rows, okay? So 5 rows of half double crochet. Either you can work in the back loop alone if you want this ridge, or you can use both the loops if you don't want the ridge, okay? So you do half double crochet, 5 rows of half double crochet. I'll show you how to make that half double crochets into make that rows into bow, okay? See, I have completed 5 rows, okay? I have cut with the long tail, okay, because we have to sew in the ends and make the bow, right? Now what we have to do, we have to fold it in such a way that this opening comes in the middle, okay, so that when we sew it up and reduce the length, it will be on the shape of bow, okay? So now what we have to do, we have to sew both the ends as well as we have to insert in the back side also. Sorry, we have to sew both the ends and we have to insert into the back side, so that when we pull this up together, the center will be shrinking, okay? See how I am doing it, and I am inserting into the this end, again, now we have reached the end, right? So when we pull this up together, it will shrunk in the middle, so that we can roll over all the tail ends like this. So this is why we have left a long tail end, because we have to tie knots with both the tail ends on the same side, okay? Make this as tight as possible, because as much as this shrunkens, the bow has its shape, okay? Right? If you are making it for a hair clip, you can attach the hair clip here before rolling over, so that it will be attached on the go. If you are using this type of clip, no matter, you can put on the knot, then you can insert it here. But I am doing this for a beanie, so I won't attach in any of the clips, okay? Now make it as tighter as possible, like this. Don't worry, this will be on the back side, so no matter when you make a knot, okay? You can either attach a button or any stone if you want, or you can leave it just like that. Okay, see how beautiful the bow has turned up. Okay, it's very simple, any beginner can do this, right? The only stitch we have used is half double crochet, so the both the sides the half double crochet look the same. Okay, so if you like this video, please share it with your friends, suggest your comments in the comment section. We will make a mini beanie and attach the bow. Okay, we'll do it in a separate video. Until then, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any video. Thank you.